Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. On this computer motherboard, this component 4835D MOSFET, it is working as a switch. When it will receive signal at gate pin, this source pin will transfer voltage to the drain. Si4835DDY P-channel 30 volt MOSFET. Pin 1, 2, 3 source pin, pin number 4 gate, 5, 6, 7, 8 drain pins. 30 volt RDS on 0.018 ohms. ID drain current 13 ampere. Single MOSFET. Gate, drain and source. Pin number 1, 2, 3. These are source pins and these are connected to same point. This is gate, it is separate. Then pin number 5, 6, 7, 8, these are connected to same point. These are drain pins. Set multimeter to diode. Connect red lead at drain, black lead at source, 1 diode. If it gives short circuit continuity, that time that MOSFET will short circuit internally. But if we see 0.5 volt, 0.6 volt, 0.7 volt, that time we are checking its body diode, peristic diode. Reverse the leads. It is showing 0.89 volt, 1 volt, that's normal reading. That is due to parallel components. Other parallel components that are in the same power supply line. 0.530, and this side might be open circuit or around 1 volt, 0.8, 0.9 volt. That is good. Now we'll inject signal here to turn on this MOSFET. I will take 3.7 volt battery. This is positive end and this is negative side. At positive side, I connected 330 ohm resistance. I will connect black lead at this resistor side. This time we are testing P-type MOSFET. Positive side. Now we will connect battery positive terminal to multimeter red lead. We will set multimeter to continuity. And this is now our test signal, because for P channel we need negative polarity voltage. I will connect red lead to the source, black lead to the drain, multimeter at continuity, red lead source, black lead at drain, and battery negative terminal is now at gate pin. When I connect to gate, the MOSFET is turning on. This MOSFET is good. In this way we can verify this 4835 MOSFET. If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.